This video covers the install of a 51-volt Eco Battery 160 amp hour or 105 amp hour lithium battery in a 9-pin harness Evolution golf cart. This install will visually show the installation of the 160 amp hour Eco Battery. The installation is the same for the 105 amp hour skinny Eco Battery, but for those looking to install a 105 amp hour Thru-Hole Eco Battery, you will need to drill an additional hole in the battery bucket and use the Universal Mounting Center Rod Kit, SKU A-8006. Set your brackets in place. Install bracket hardware. Repeat this process on the other side. Set your battery into place with the terminals on the passenger side. Install hardware into your mounts. Connect your battery positive cable to the positive terminal. Connect your A-4123 and battery negative cable to the negative terminal. Torque to 8 foot-pounds or 96 inch-pounds. Put on terminal covers. Plug in your A-4113 cable to COM port 2. Plug 9-pin Evolution adapter into the factory harness. The 3-pin cable coming off the factory harness is not used for this installation. Connect the CAN connector from the A-4123 to the CAN on the A-4113. Your last step is to connect to your battery using the EB Power app. Follow instructions on the screen recording as shown. Open the EB Power app and choose Eco Battery. Select your battery. The Bluetooth name will be your battery's serial number. Click on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down to CAN protocol and select Evolution. Make sure your battery is on the latest firmware. If it's not, select Update Battery Firmware. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our support team. Thank you for supporting Eco Battery.